Building a landing page on Wix is a straightforward process that can help you create a professional and effective online presence. To start, go to the Wix website and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once you are logged in, click on the Create a Site button and select Landing Page from the options. Choose a template that resonates with your brand and business. Wix offers a wide range of templates to choose from, so you are sure to find one that fits your needs. Once you have selected a template, click on the Edit button to start customizing your landing page. The Wix editor is user-friendly and easy to navigate. You can drag and drop elements such as text, images, and videos to create a unique and engaging design. Start by adding a headline and introduction to your landing page. This should clearly communicate the purpose and value of your product or service. Next, add a call to action button that encourages visitors to take action. This could be to sign up for a newsletter, make a purchase, or learn more about your business. Make sure your call to action is clear and prominent, and that it stands out from the rest of the content on your page. In addition to the main elements of your landing page, you can also add additional features such as testimonials, social media links, and contact information. These can help to build trust and credibility with your visitors, and make it easy for them to get in touch with you. Once you have finished designing your landing page, click on the Publish button to make it live. Wix will provide you with a URL that you can share with others. And you can also connect your own domain name to your landing page. To ensure that your landing page is effective, make sure to test and optimize it regularly. Use analytics tools to track visitor behavior and identify areas for improvement. And make adjustments to your design and content accordingly. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a high-performing landing page on Wix that helps you achieve your business goals.